It's gonna be a quick video putting together this Pioneer Pet Ultimate Scratching Post we got from Chewy. See, here's our old one. The cats have gotten very good use out of it, so excited to get a new one finally. So I'll do a quick unboxing and then a quick assembly. Okay, so all you really get is a tower, these two panels that go together from the base, a couple of dowels, and a couple of little bolts. So all you gotta do is, you see on the inside of here, there's two holes. That's where these wooden dowels go. You slide in here, like that, like that. And just line them up with the other two holes there. Push those together, like that. Then you'll find the bottom of your tower. So this is gonna be the top. You see it's got two holes that already have screws in it. So the bottom is gonna be the one that has 4 screw holes with 2 holes that don't have anything in it yet. And basically these 2 holes are gonna line up with this. And you just drive the screws in through the bottom. You can tell this is the top because the bottom has a sticker on it. So yeah, all there is to do is to hold that up to the bottom and screw it in. The easiest way to do this is to flip it upside down. That way you can just take this board, put it upside down also. Get your 2 bolts. And once you line this up with the holes, and just drop the bolts in. There's one. There's the other. Just tighten that up with a screwdriver. And that's it. After you do that, it'll look just like this. One tip that I like to share is, again, we've had this one for a few years. And after a couple of years, what we did is we unscrewed the base and actually flipped the tower upside down and screwed the base into the top. So you can see this used to be the bottom, but years ago we flipped it upside down. And I just got some wood screws and screwed it in the bottom of the base, but into the top of the tower, and basically got, some extra life out of this tower. But anyways, for original assembly, it's easy as that. Just get you a screwdriver, tighten these up, and then you're good to go. Hope this was helpful.